So we are headed for a romantic getaway up in Falkenberg. It's a 4-hour ride, but this video is all about how to make the most of EV travel because it's 5 or 6 hours in EV because we have a bad battery. So how do we get the most out of our EV travels when we have to charge a lot? But first we will drive all the way up to Ullared with all the charge stops that is needed and then back to Falkenberg. It should be a 5-hour drive if we didn't have any charge stop, but we have the charge stop and it's half an hour to 45 minutes every time, so 6, maybe 7 hours. Let's find out and let's head out there. So it's the first charge stop and it's the boring one because we're in the middle of Copenhagen Airport. It is not that interesting, but what we can do here on this first charging stop is enjoy this beautiful little garden. I'm sitting here, well, isn't inspirational, but on this place I will actually be able to head over there. There's a McDonald's, there's a Circle K, and I can get a little provisions. But how do I avoid this getting so boring? Well, I'm sitting in the car speaking with my girlfriend and just waiting for the car to charge up so we can head up into Sweden and see something more interesting on these long trips. Alright, second charge stop, and this one is a great one. We have only been driven for around 30 minutes or so, but we need enough power to get to the next powered by Eon and Clever charger, I believe. But it is actually quite a great place to stop because we have a lot of shopping. And then in around 20 minutes, when our car is fully charged, we will also have been able to shop some snacks and buy the necessities we need for this trip. So yeah, no downtime here, but let's head on and let's shop some and get on to the next stop and see how else we can spend the time on charging stops. New charging stop, and it's a Tesla stand, and this is so quick at charging that we can only manage to get into the toilet, get back, and then we are driving on towards Ullared. So yeah, there's not as much downtime in this charging period. There was the one in the Copenhagen Airport, but other than that we have had 0 downtime. Let's see if that continues because we're heading to Ullared, where I will show you something special before we head back towards Falkenberg. And we have reached that special thing, the shopping center here at Ullared, and just check this out. With that in mind, let's head for Falkenberg before I am going to show you what a beautiful spa experience that is. So we have reached Falkenberg, and as you can see, a great EV travel doesn't require downtime. And by the way, if you want to see my full review of the spa hotel here in Falkenberg, then check it out right there. I will be checking out the retreat club, the restaurant. I will even test the food. How good is the food here at Falkenberg? And the retreat club is something you should head for because it's fairly close to Copenhagen. So check it out right there.